You probably have squished a few.
Oh. Yeah. Dad, put that glove back on.
That's right.
There we go. See that?
Wow.
They've climbed up onto the frames now, so they were all in the bottom of the box. And slowly they just come up the frames. The queen's in there, otherwise they'd be gone by now.
Yeah.
So they could. She must put off quite a
Oh yeah.
What's that?
scent.
She controls
Josh,
them.
back a bit.
There you go. We'll shut them up.
They look healthy, do they?
They look
Sue?
healthy, but you don't really know until you look at the brood.
Yep.
Oh, were you getting pictures?
Oh yeah, no, got all that.
Did you want more?
No, I'm just
Okay.
videoing.
Oh yeah. Until they've had a brood cycle, the disease we're looking for, you can tell by the colour of the brood, and there's a few things. The babies aren't white; they
Yeah.
are like a coffee colour, and yeah.
What were they doing in the tree?
What were they doing in the tree?
Yeah.
Clustering.
Did they make
They
honey
were
or no?
resting prior to going and finding a place to actually set up a.
Yeah.
There's a one with its stinger out on
Say hello, Josh.
Hi. You want me to shut this?
Yeah, thank you. That'd be great.
Oh, I tripped.